Right, so today we're going to be looking at the three different types of rock. So this is your geography lesson. So listen to this video nice and carefully and you'll have a little match-up exercise to do at the end. So the first type of rock is an igneous rock. An igneous rock is formed when lava cools. So that could be lava that's in the sea or lava that has been created by a volcanic eruption. When it cools and condenses, it becomes a rock, just like the ones you see on the screen. However, they become igneous rocks, so rocks that are created by lava. Igneous means fire. Ignite, that's how you remember it. Ignite, lava, hot. The next type of rock is sedimentary. So sedimentary, the best way to remember it is what sediment is. So sediment is small parts of sand, mud, or organic materials. So when small parts of sand, mud and organic materials drop to the bottom of lakes and oceans, it all starts piling up. And after a while of piling up, it creates layers and layers and layers of this sediment. And the sediment compresses and squeezes. And then all those little gaps end up being squeezed out. And then we end up with a rock. This is a sedimentary rock. A sedimentary rock is the rock that also stores fossils, because organic materials, so things like dead fish, other dead animals, dead plant life, these will all be caught in sedimentary rocks, which are rocks that are formed from the sediment, which could be bone. So that's what a sedimentary rock is. Finally, we've got the metamorphic rock. So a metamorphic rock is just a rock that has changed. Now, the only way a rock has changed, I'm not talking about if you smash a rock really hard and it breaks. I mean by it being changed by pressure or it being changed by heat. And then it actually changes from one type of rock to a different type of rock. This is called a metamorphic rock.